2x octagon discussed. Here we know this triangular face having another triangle inside it, but we are discussing it with the triangular base underneath and the top is triangular top. If we carefully look into this shape in this fashion over here, and we talk about half part of the octagon, we see a square base having 4 equilateral triangles on it. If we go this kind of the shape, we have our formation starting with square base and projecting upward with the equilateral triangles. Keeping this in mind, let we look at another composition where we have used the same thing. The square base, which is semi 2x octagon, and another, this will further project in this fashion into a semi 2x octagon. Over here I lifted this top part lifted, and the 1x octagon adjusted. So we are in a position to have, although in octagon we have a triangular base and the triangular top, and this is the 1x octagon, but I am talking of octagon with square base and square top. It is not octagon, but this using same principle, that octagon is triangle base, triangle top, but over here we have reached from the semi 2x octagon and segregating top part through this geometry. Using the same thing, we can develop our architectural stable structures. For example, over here I can show you, I have done a little bit 3x semi octagon, and 3x semi octagon having possible projections with another 1x octagon, and then using the same principle I have developed icosahedron with the square top. Normally over here we don't have, we are actually like this triangle base and triangle top icosa, but I have used the same principle and developed square top and square base icosa. In this way I was able to connect 3x semi octa to 1x square base octa to icosa with the square top and square base, and finally closed on the top like this. So this composition is another outcome of some effort to using the same principle of octahedron, but orientation with the square base using semi part, and further square to square connection through a single x octa, and then icosa, and then tetrahedron again with the same principle of tetrahedron, but base with the square base. And square base tetrahedron is actually semi octa, half part of the octagon. So this is how I have tried to give you some idea that how can we have very different possibilities of having architectural structures, which could definitely fascinate and opens another possibilities for the architects and designers. And that's it.